make it close?
That's a good question. You have to go close. Let's see if the cat will try and climb up again. Uh-oh, there comes another cat.
That's good.
Oh, no, it's not good. Now they're going to fight. Let's see it.
They want each other. They're playing, Abba.
I know, but I want to see the... come on, try and go back up the slide. That was funny.
Wait. Head down there.
No, now they're just playing.
Wait. Go up the slide.
Not working.
That's funny.
Hey, why are you being silly?
Can you stop the video now? Bye-bye.
Wait, I want to see if the cat goes. Come on, go. Go up the slide. They're just looking at us. Okay, forget it.